morning, children. Now let us start with commercial mathematics. So in commercial mathematics, commercial mathematics already I have told you in the earlier class. It is specially for the business purpose, for the transaction purpose. Okay. So whether it is loss or profit or discount or whatever it is, that will be calculated. So that is why we call it as commercial mathematics, specially used for transactions and for the business purpose. So here they have given the question, find 20% of rupees 5,000. When it is given as 20%, so always you should remember percentage means it is calculated for rupees 100. Here because rupees is given, so you have to calculate for 100. So 100 for 100, what is the discount or the percentage? It is 20%. For 100 it is 20%. That means for 5,000 rupees how much? So in place of this 100 you have to put 5,000. What is the percentage totally? For 100 rupees if you have a 20% discount, then what will be for 5,000? So what we have to do? We have to cross multiply. We have to cross multiply. Means 5,000 into 20 divided by 100. Understood? So 5,000 into 20 divided by 100. When you do like this, you see these two zeros will go, these two zeros will go. So what remains here? Here it is 50 into 20. So 50 into 20. So how much it comes? 2 5s are 10. This 0 and this 0. So totally how much is? So if it is for 100 rupees, it is 20%. So 5,000 rupees, how much it comes? There will be a discount of 1,000 rupees. So 20% of rupees 5,000, your answer will be 1,000. Your answer will be 1,000. Okay. So now let us see the next sum. 15% of 3,400 children. So now you should count the total calculation of the children. Okay, maybe these children have attended some function or some program. So you should calculate 15% of those 3,400 children. What you have to do is, for 100 it is 15%. Then for totally for 3,400 students, how much? 3,400 children, how much? So again what you have to do is 3,400 into 15 divided by 100. When you do, what is happening? Again you see these two zeros cancelled, these two zeros cancelled. So 34 into 15. 34 into 15. How much becomes? 15 fours are 60. Carry 6 here. 15 threes are 45. Plus 6 is 51. So calculation of 15% of 304 children means it is 500 children. So here you should write rupees to 1,000. Okay? Because here they have asked for rupees, you have to write rupees 1,000. Rupees 1,000. And here you should write 510 children. 510 children. So you can just put a box and then write, that it will be easy for you to understand. Yes. Now let us see 50% of 10,000. They are not given any units here, just they are given 50% of 10,000. Just you are going to calculate it, that's all. So 50% of 10,000. For 100, it is 50. Then for 10,000, how much? So what you have to do again? Cross multiply. When you cross multiply 10,000 is remaining? 100 into 50. 100 into 50. 5 ones are 5. 1, 2, 3 zeros. 1, 2, 3 zeros. So 15% of 10,000 will be 5,000. This is how to calculate for the percentage. So 50% of 10,000 will be half of it. 50% is half. So it is 5,000. Next, 100% of 500. 100% of 500. So for 100, it is 100. Then for 500, how much? 100% means full. 100% means full it is. 50% means half. 100% means full. So here 500 into 100 by 100 when you cross multiply. So 2 zeros went, 2 zeros went. So 100 is 500. So 100% means total. So what is the total? 500. So 500 only you will be getting the answer. 500. Okay, now let us see the next sum here. Next sum. It is saying a kitten costing rupees 2,500 is sold at 10% discount. What is the price that Vinay will have to pay for it? So there is a boy called Vinay. He wants to buy a kitten. Kitten means the young one of a cat is called as a kitten. So he wanted to buy. He went to a sale. There was a sale of kittens. So he went to the sale and he asked what is the amount of this. The shopkeeper said it cost you 2,500, but there is a discount of how much it is? There is a discount of 10%. So you can buy the kitten for a lesser amount. That's what shopkeeper said. Then Vinay was happy because there is a discount, isn't it? So he started, okay, if I have to pay, how much will I have to pay? He had a question. So now, actually how to find it out? So in the working column you have to just show that. So for 100, what is the discount is getting? Is getting 10%. For 100 rupees it is 10%. Then for 2,500 rupees how much? For 2,500 rupees how much? So what happened? 2,500 by cross multiplying. Cross multiply when you do, you will get this. Okay. So 2,500 into 10 by 100. So 2 zeros went, 2 zeros went. 25 tens is 250. Got it? Now, actual price of the kitten was how much? Actual price was 2,500. Now he is getting a discount. He is getting a discount of how much? 250 rupees. So when it is discount, what you have to do? You have to minus. When it is profit, you have to add. When it is discount or loss, you have to minus. So what you have to do? Actual price was 2,500 for the kitten. But now he has got a discount of rupees 250. What you have to do? You have to minus it. So 0 minus 0 is 0. From 0 you cannot minus 5. So you will borrow 1. This becomes 10. And here will be 4. So 10 minus 5 will be 5. 4 minus 2 will be 2. And here it will be 2. So what is the amount he has to pay? Instead of 2,500, he has to pay 2,250. He is getting a profit. The boy Vinay is getting a profit of 250, whereas the shopkeeper is getting a loss of 250. Because the rate was 2,500, but the shopkeeper is selling for 2,250. So for shopkeeper there is a loss, but for Vinay there is a profit. So what is the amount Vinay has to pay? Vinay has to pay totally rupees 2,250. So in the working column, you have to write all these things, children. Now let us go for the next one. All books at the book sale were available at 20% discount. There was a book sale. So what happened? They had given a board 20% discount on every book. So who went there? Ram bought 3 books. He purchased 3 books and each book was, every book, one book was costing 350. But he has purchased how many books? He purchased 3 books. What is the price that Ram pays for 3 books? For 3 books, how much he has to pay? So he went to the shop where there was a sale of books. He saw there was a board 20% discount on every book. So Ram purchased 3 books and every book was costing 350 rupees. Totally he bought 3 books. So what is the total amount he has to pay? Now let us see. For 100 rupees, the discount was 20% for 100 rupees. Then, but before that, what you have to do, you have to find out the amount what Ram has to pay for the book, because he has purchased 3 books. So the actual rate was how much? 350 rupees per book. He has purchased 3 books. So what is the answer? 3 zeros are 0, 3 5s are 15, carry 1, 3 3s are 9 plus 1, 10. So actually what he has to pay? He had to pay an amount of 1050. But because there was a discount of 20%, now for 120%, then for 3050, how much? Sorry, 1050, how much? I'll write it here. 350 into 3 is 1050. Now for 100, this is working column. For 100, it was how much? What is the discount? It is 20% discount. So for 1050, how much? So 1050 into 20 by 100. 1050 into 20 by 100. 0, 0 cancel. This 0, this 0 cancel. So it is 105 into 2. So 105 into 2 is equal to 210. So from 3 books, he has got a discount of 210. Actual price, how much he had to pay? He had to pay an amount of 1050. 1050 he has to pay, but now he has got a discount of 210 rupees. So totally how much he has to pay now? See, 0 minus 0 is 0. 5 minus 1 is 4. So from 0 you cannot minus 2. So 10 minus 2 will be 8. So instead of paying 1050, he has to pay an amount of 840. So he has got a profit of 210 rupees, whereas the shopkeeper has lost 210 rupees. So here, discount for books were at the rate of 20%. Ram purchased how many books? 3 books at the rate of rupees 350 per book. So Ram pays in total for 3 books rupees 840. This is your answer. So now let us see the next sum. Now let us see, children. A popular newspaper which costs rupees 3 is available for a discount of 25% if subscribed for a whole year. Only if you subscribe for 1 year, you get the discount of 25%. Otherwise, every day how much you have to pay? Every day you have to pay 3 rupees per paper. Every day. But if you just subscribe for the whole year means it is 365 days, then you will get a discount of how much? 25%. So here the question is, what is the cost of subscription for the whole year? So first what you have to do is, you should know 1 year means it is 365 days. Understood? So for 365 days at the rate of rupees 3 means how much it comes? 365 365 into 3 rupees one day. Okay, the actual rate. This is the actual rate. So 3 5s will be 15, carry 1. 3 6 18 plus 1, 19. Carry 1. 3 3 9 and 1, 10. So how much will come? The actual rate will be 1995. 1095 will come. But actually, if the whole year if you are subscribing, what will be there? It is a discount of 25%. So for 100, it is 25% discount. Then for 1095, how much you get? So you should see now 1095 into 25 by 100. If you do, how much it comes? So here it is 25 ones are 25 fours are. So 1095 divided by 4. 4 twos are 8 minus 2 bring 9. 4 5 are 4 6 are 4 7 are 28 minus here we are bringing this 5 down. So 4 3s are 12. So here 3, isn't it? In a minus. So now you are going to put point, bring 0 down. 4 7s are 28 minus. So 2. Then again put 0. 4 5s are 20. So what is the amount? 273 rupees 75 paisa will be a discount. Actual rate was how much? Actual rate was 1095. Now this what is that? Okay. So now what happened? So from 1095, if you minus this 273 rupees 75 paise. Okay, so 1095 minus 1095 minus 273 point. This is 15 paise. Not 15, 75. 75 paise. So how much it comes out? 0.00. So from 10, that means you are borrowing here, it becomes 10, here it goes again 10, here 9 and here 4. So from 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 7 is 2 point, excuse me, 4 minus 3 is 1, 9 minus 7, 2, 10 minus 2 is 8. So 821 rupees 25 paise. So the subscription for the whole year will be 800 rupees 821.25. Hope you have understood. So 1 year is 365 days. 365 days, every day it is 3 rupees. So you will get 1095. So actually the amount what has to be paid is 1095. But what has happened? The whole year if you subscribe, you get a discount of 273 rupees 75 paise. How you got? For 100 rupees, if it is 25 paise, 25 rupees discount. So for 1095, what is the discount? So 1095 into 25, cross multiplication, into 25 divided by 100, you will get, how much you get? Already I have done now. So here 1095 will remain divided by 4. So when you do, you get the answer as 273.75. Actually the amount was 1095, but there is a discount of 273 rupees 75 paise. So when you minus, you get 821 rupees 25 paise. That will be the subscription for the whole year. Now let us move for the next one. John uses a laboratory thermometer to measure the boiling point of water as 98 degrees Celsius. wrong and that the actual boiling point of water is 100 degrees Celsius. What is the percentage error of his reading? So what happened here? So percentage error means there is a formula, error by actual value into 100. So I write here. So one more working column I am putting. Yeah. There is a formula, percentage error. Percentage error is equal to, what's the formula? It is error by actual value into 100. Error by actual value into 100. This is the formula. You should be very careful about this formula. Now you see, John's boiling point was how much? 98 degrees Celsius. Now, he has found it for 98 degrees Celsius, but actual is 100 degrees Celsius. This is John's finding and this is actual. Okay, this is John's and this is actual. Now, for 100 degrees Celsius, he has found it as 98. Isn't it? But actually it is 100, right? It's actually 100, right? So what you have to do here, for 100, when you make 100 minus 98, what is that you get? 100 minus 98 is 2. 100 minus 98 is 2. So what happens here, you see, for 100 degree he has got an error of 2%, right? He has got an error of 2%. Then for 100, how much it is? So what you have to do here is cross multiply 100 into 2 by 100. 100 into 2 by 100. See, percentage error. So error is how much? 2%. Actual value is 100 into 100. You can write 2 into 100 by 100 or 100 into. Better you write like this because as per the value it goes, you write it as 2. This is percentage error, PE. Percentage error is equal to, error is how much? 2%, isn't it? You have found out. 2% by actual value is 100 into 100. So what happens here? 100 and 100 cancels. What is remaining? 2. So what is the percentage error? The percentage error is 2%. Percentage error is 2%. Okay, children? Now, let me stop it here. We'll continue in the next class. Thank you.